chia seeds versus flax seeds. Which is really better for weight loss? You've been lied to. Everyone says chia seeds are the best for weight loss. But is that actually true? What if flax seeds are better, but no one's telling you why? In this video, we're putting chia and flax head to head, and the winner might surprise you. If you've ever added chia seeds to your smoothie or sprinkled flax on your oatmeal, thinking you're making a healthy choice, you're not alone. These two tiny superfoods are often praised by health gurus. But here's the problem. Most people don't really know how they work. And when it comes to weight loss, one of them might be silently holding you back. So let's break it down and finally answer the question. Which one is really better for weight loss? Chia seeds or flax seeds? Here's the challenge no one talks about. Just because a food is labeled a superfood doesn't mean it will supercharge your weight loss. Chia seeds and flax seeds both look similar, have fiber, omega-3s, and protein. But here's the twist. Your body reacts to them very differently, especially when your goal is fat loss. In fact, one seed helps you burn fat more efficiently, while the other might slow digestion and cause bloating if you're not using it the right way. Yet people keep using them interchangeably without understanding the science behind them. Stick around. One of these seeds could quietly be sabotaging your weight loss, while the other might be the exact fix you've been looking for. Chia versus flax. Let's compare nutritional stats. First, to keep this fair, let's start with the numbers. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds has 58 calories, 5 grams of fiber, 2 grams of protein, 4 grams of fat, almost 5 grams of carbs, mostly fiber. Loaded with calcium, magnesium, and omega-3s, ALA. 1 tablespoon of flax seeds, ground, has 37 calories, 2 grams of fiber, 1.3 grams of protein, 3 grams of fat, slightly fewer omega-3s than chia, higher in lignans, plant-based compounds with antioxidant effects. So at a glance, chia seeds are higher in calories and fiber, but flax seeds bring powerful antioxidant and hormonal benefits to the table. But numbers don't always tell the full story. Let's break down how your body really responds to these seeds. Satiety and cravings. Which seed keeps you fuller? Longer. When you're trying to lose weight, hunger is your enemy. Chia seeds swell up to 10 times their size when soaked in liquid. That means they form a thick gel in your stomach, which can slow down digestion and make you feel fuller for longer. Sounds great, right? But here's the catch. If you don't soak them properly or drink enough water, they can cause bloating, constipation, or even blockages in extreme cases. Flax seeds, on the other hand, don't swell as dramatically. But because they're rich in soluble fiber and lignans, they actually help regulate blood sugar and control hunger hormones like ghrelin and leptin. So while chia physically fills you up, flax works on a hormonal level to help reduce cravings. And that might be the smarter, more sustainable way to manage appetite. Fat burning support. Which seed boosts metabolism? More. Here's where things get interesting. Flax seeds are rich in lignans, which have been shown in studies to help regulate estrogen levels. That's especially important for women over 35, because hormone imbalances can make weight loss incredibly difficult. Plus, the ALA in flax can reduce inflammation, which is linked to stubborn belly fat. Now let's talk about what happens in your gut, because weight loss and digestion are more connected than you think. So if you're trying to boost fat burning from a hormonal angle, flax might have the edge. Digestion and gut health. Who's easier on your stomach? Now let's talk digestion, because weight loss and gut health are more connected than you think. Flax seeds have a secret advantage here. They're gentler on your gut, but only if you use ground flax. Whole flax seeds often pass through your system undigested. But when ground, they provide a mild laxative effect that can keep your digestion regular without the bloating some people experience with chia. Chia seeds are great if soaked well, but if you eat them dry, you risk some serious discomfort. So in terms of gut-friendly fiber that your body can actually use, ground flax wins again. The smallest seeds can make the biggest difference when you choose the right one. Best way to eat them for weight loss. For chia seeds, soak 1 tablespoon in 8 to 10 ounces of water for at least 30 minutes. Add a squeeze of lemon or apple cider vinegar for extra fat-burning benefits. Drink before meals to help with portion control. For flax seeds, always use ground flax. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon over oatmeal, yogurt, or blend into a smoothie. Best taken in the morning to help balance hormones and stabilize appetite throughout the day. Pro tip: store flaxseed in the fridge. It goes rancid fast due to its delicate fats. Still confused? Here's the bottom line. If your main struggle is hunger or late-night cravings, chia seeds can help you feel full and curb emotional eating, as long as you hydrate properly. But if your weight loss plateau is more related to hormones, blood sugar, or digestion, flaxseed might be your best friend. One clinical study published in Obesity Reviews showed that people who consumed flax daily, without changing anything else, lost more belly fat than those who didn't. No gimmicks, no crash diets, just 1 tablespoon a day. So instead of asking which seed is better overall, ask, what's the reason I'm struggling to lose weight? That answer tells you which seed you should choose. Not sure which one to pick? Here's a quick breakdown to help you decide. Chia seeds, choice amazing for fullness, hydration, and energy, but only if soaked properly. Flax seeds equals better for hormone balance, fat burning, and gut health. Use ground form only. Both are great, but they solve different problems. And when it comes to weight loss, you need the right solution, not just the trendiest one. If you found this breakdown helpful, share it with someone who's been confused about chia versus flax. And if you want more honest, no-fluff tips that actually work for weight loss and holistic health, hit that subscribe button now. Drop a comment below. Are you Team Chia, Team Flax, or mixing both? I read every reply, because now you know how to actually use them right.